AI isn't just answering questions anymore. It's doing tasks, planning workflows, managing business operations. And in 2025, something big has happened. AI agents are officially taking over, and if you're not paying attention, you're already behind. So let's talk about what AI agents really are and how they're about to change your life. Because what's coming next doesn't just replace tools, it replaces the work. Welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, this is where we explore the newest AI tools, emerging tech, and how to use AI to stay ahead, not behind. And today, we're diving into the biggest shift in AI since ChatGPT, autonomous AI agents. So what exactly is an AI agent? Think of a normal AI like ChatGPT or any chatbot. You ask, it answers. End of story. But AI agents, they don't just respond, they act. AI agents can search the internet, schedule tasks, write emails, research competitors, create videos, automate workflows, and even connect with apps like Notion, Gmail, YouTube, Shopify, Discord, and more. Instead of you telling AI what to do step by step, you just tell it the goal. You say, build me a marketing campaign. Find 50 potential clients and email them. Optimize my YouTube SEO and generate 3 video scripts. And the agent will break the task down, run each step, and complete it. That's not AI as a tool, that's AI as a worker. And here's the crazy part. They're getting smarter, faster, and cheaper every single month. Some companies are now replacing entire teams with one AI agent. AI agents matter because they change how productivity works. For decades, technology helped us do things faster. Now, it does things for us. This shift is huge. Students are using agents to summarize books, generate assignments, create study plans, and automate note-taking. Creators are using agents to script, edit, caption, and upload content automatically. Businesses? They're using AI agents to run customer support, respond to emails, manage CRM, even generate legal reports. AI agents aren't just useful, they're becoming essential. So who's building this future? Right now, some of the most talked about AI agents include ChatGPT with GPT agents, AutoGPT-style task agents, OpenAI's Advanced Assistant Mode, Adept ACT1 inspired workflow agents, platform-specific agents for YouTube, Shopify, email, and automation. Some agents can now remember past work, improve based on feedback, and operate forever on autopilot. We're no longer talking about simple assistants. We're talking about personalized digital workers. And if you think this is the peak, we're actually at the beginning. The next evolution? Multi-agent systems. Multiple AI agents working together like a team. A copywriter AI, a designer AI, a marketer AI, a researcher AI, all talking to each other and building projects without you touching anything. AI agents are going to change school, business, creativity, and work forever. And whether you're excited, scared, or skeptical, one thing is certain: the world is moving fast. So let me ask you, will you be watching from the sidelines, or will you be one of the people who learns to use AI agents before everyone else? If you want tools, tutorials, and breakdowns on how to use these agents, make sure you subscribe, because we're just getting started. Thanks for watching, and welcome to the future.